Hi everyone, it's Joe from Apex CC. We're here partners with Art Smart on this 17th century thatched cottage. So this job's given us a lot of challenges, both with the job being listed. There's a lot of obstacles we have to get round, a lot of things we have to adhere to. And also with the thatched roof, it's classed as habitable roof, which means that any animals can be living up there. So we have to put everything in metal containment all the way down through the eaves till we get on the drops on the walls. So here we're in a beautiful part of Hampshire in Brockenhurst. We've got this property with 9 zones of audio, 6 zones of TV distribution, and we've picked wall lights and 5 amp sockets as for the lighting because there are no ceiling voids in there. So we're actually 2/3 of the way through wiring this project. The lads from Art Smart brought down the termination rack for us to build here on site. If you come with me, we'll take a look inside.